The first tangible look at the iPhone 17 lineup is finally here, giving us a clearer idea of the design changes that set it apart from the iPhone 16 series. A new hands-on video featuring iPhone 17 family molds has surfaced online, offering a direct comparison to its predecessor. This new video comes from YouTuber iDevice Help and leaker Majin Buu, showing dummy units created based on internal documents. These molds reveal what could be the biggest design overhaul for the iPhone in years. For the past few generations, Apple has stuck to a familiar design with minimal changes, except for the introduction of the dynamic island and the camera control and action buttons. But this time, things appear to be shifting in a more significant way. The iPhone 17 family is expected to introduce several major design refinements, making it one of the most exciting updates in years. One of the biggest changes is the introduction of the iPhone 17 Air, which is expected to replace the Plus model. According to the video, the iPhone 17 Air will feature a horizontal camera bar for its rear cameras. This aligns with previous leaks, but the real eye-catching detail here is its thickness, or rather, its thinness. At just 5.588 millimeters or 0.22 inches thick, it's so slim that it barely rises above the level of the buttons on the phone. This could make it one of the thinnest iPhones we've seen in recent years. Apple appears to be focusing on a sleeker, more lightweight form factor with this model, which could appeal to users who prioritize portability. Moving on to the Pro models, they seem to retain the same general camera layout, but with a noticeable difference: a large tray on the back. The video shows that the flash, microphone, and LiDAR scanner have all been repositioned towards the far right, which may indicate some internal restructuring. This change could be tied to improvements in computational photography, augmented reality, or even video capabilities, making the Pro models more powerful than ever. Leaker Ice Universe has also shared some details about the iPhone 17 Pro Max, revealing that it will be slightly thicker than its predecessor. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is currently 8.25 millimeters or 0.32 inches thick, whereas the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to measure 8.636 millimeters or 0.34 inches thick. This represents an increase of over 6% with some minor discrepancies in exact figures, but the main takeaway is clear: the Pro Max is getting thicker. The reason? It's likely to accommodate a larger battery. A thicker body could also mean better heat dissipation, allowing for improved performance in high-power tasks such as gaming or video editing. There's still some uncertainty regarding the dimensions of the iPhone 17 Air and iPhone 17 Pro Max. Some reports suggest that they might share the same display size, length, width, and bezels, though this remains unconfirmed. If true, this could indicate that Apple is streamlining its device sizes, making it easier for consumers to choose based on features rather than form factor. In addition to these changes, it's rumored that Apple will introduce aluminum frames across the entire iPhone 17 lineup. Potential hardware upgrades across the lineup make this an exciting development for Apple fans. As we approach the official launch, more details will likely emerge, and we'll be keeping an eye on every new piece of information. Whether it's further refinements, new color options, or even hidden features Apple has yet to reveal, there's still a lot to uncover. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official reveal. 25 series today in San Jose, California, marking the debut of 3 exciting models: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just hours before the grand unveiling, retail boxed images surfaced, showcasing the lineup in their sleek packaging. The leak confirms that the boxes are thin, with no in-box charger included, continuing Samsung's trend of reducing packaging waste. Among the colors revealed, the Galaxy S25 comes in a refined gray, the S25 Plus dazzles in dark blue, and the S25 Ultra stuns in its titanium ice blue finish. Samsung's bold design choices are evident in the Ultra model, which retains its signature S Pen slot while sporting rounded edges for a more comfortable grip. Under the hood, all models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a custom for Galaxy version that is overclocked for enhanced performance. The base Galaxy S25 model offers 128 gigabytes of storage, a somewhat disappointing figure, but Samsung compensates with a boost in RAM to 12 gigabytes across all base models. For storage options, the lineup includes 256 gigabytes as standard, with 512 gigabytes available for users requiring more space. Hands-on images have added last-minute excitement, offering an early look at the Galaxy S25 series. The leaks reveal a redesigned, slender retail box that emphasizes the phone's frames and cameras. The Ultra's design features premium-looking camera rings, flat sides, and a streamlined back panel, further enhancing comfort and aesthetics. Color options across the series include mint and silver shadow for the Galaxy S25, navy blue for the S25 Plus, and titanium gray for the S25 Ultra. Exclusive online-only colors such as blue, black, coral red, and pink gold provide even more variety for buyers. In terms of pricing, Samsung is keeping the base prices steady compared to the Galaxy S24 series in South Korea. This decision, despite rising production costs and a higher USD to Korean won exchange rate, is seen as a win for consumers worldwide. However, higher storage variants see a slight increase. Here's the pricing breakdown for the base 256 gigabytes models. Galaxy S25, 1,155,000 Korean won, $796. Galaxy S25 Plus, 1,353,000 Korean won, $933. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 1,694,000 Korean won, $1,171. Higher storage variants will cost Galaxy S25, 512 gigabytes, 1,313,500 Korean won, $962. Galaxy S25 Plus, 512 gigabytes, 1,511,400 Korean won, $1,429. Galaxy S25 Ultra, 512 gigabytes, 1,858,600 Korean won, $1,281. These prices are competitive given the global use of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is 20% more expensive than its predecessor. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 series is Galaxy AI, included free of charge through 2025. This advanced AI capability enhances user experience by offering features such as night video with audio eraser. This innovative tool allows users to capture stunning videos in low light while reducing both video grain and background audio noise. Samsung has also upgraded the selfie cameras for lifelike skin tones and textures, ensuring top-notch photo quality. The Galaxy S25 lineup also introduces varying battery capacities to suit different needs. Galaxy S25, 4,000 mAh, Galaxy S25 Plus, 4,900 mAh, Galaxy S25 Ultra, 5,000 mAh. As expected, the S Pen remains exclusive to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, bundled within the box. For display enthusiasts, the series offers impressive screen sizes. 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the S25 Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the S25 Ultra. The Ultra also leads the pack with a 200-megapixel main camera, while the other models feature 50-megapixel primary sensors. Samsung's ecosystem features are also highlighted in the Galaxy S25 series. Smart Switch makes it seamless to transfer data from your old device, while Samsung Digital Wallet provides a secure hub for credit cards, boarding passes, and more. For Galaxy users, daily news briefings will deliver morning and evening updates on weather, top stories, and other essentials. What's your take on the Galaxy S25 series pricing and features? Are you excited about the design, performance, or AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to reserve your Galaxy S25 through the link in the description to take advantage of exclusive offers. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets, and turn on notifications so you'd never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey Samsung fans, the moment we've all been waiting for is almost here. The Galaxy S25 series is set to be unveiled at the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22nd. But here's the deal.